Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Wondering how to create a budget that works for you? You're not alone. Let SK Financial guide you through budgeting basics in this comprehensive video tutorial. Hi there. I'm Sarah, your financial advisor from SK Financial. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects all of us: budgeting. Creating a budget may seem daunting, but it's essential for financial stability and achieving your goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First things first, determine your income. This includes your salary, freelance gigs, or any other sources of income you have. Knowing your total income is crucial for understanding how much you have to work with. Next, track your expenses. This includes everything from groceries to utility bills to entertainment expenses. It's important to be thorough when tracking your expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having goals will help you stay motivated. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now it's time to create your budget. Start by allocating your income towards your expenses and savings goals. Be realistic with your budgeting. It's okay to start small and adjust as you go along. And there you have it, budgeting basics. Remember, creating a budget that works for you takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. With the right tools and mindset, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. For more personalized financial advice, visit skfinancial.com, email us at sk@skfinancial.com, or call us at 1-813-322-3936